Yes, it's got it. Okay, so no problems this semester. Now let's Command S to make sure we save that. We don't want to lose anything we've done so far, because so far everything seems to have worked. Now we want to take the cat mouth. We want to drag it down below the cat. And you'll see it's enormous. But what we want to do is we want to make sure that it is the right size. We just want to put it behind where the cat's face will be. So I'm going to use the actual composition window and just change the size by dragging. And then I can move it into place somewhere behind the cat. It doesn't need to be any bigger than the cat's jaw. Let's get this right over there. Okay, I think that'll work. See, it's behind his face, and we know that it's going to be in the right area when the mouth opens. Maybe a little bit lower. Boom. And we'll Command S. So that's set up. And now we're going to drag the sound file, which we can also put into the audio folder. Since we do have an audio folder here, we can drag this into the audio folder. There, it's in with the audio now. Now we're going to drag the animal domestic cat, animal carnivore cat, domestic cat meow. It's a silly name. Down below, probably below the cat's mouth, so we can see where the sound is. It'll give us a better view of what's going on. And I'm going to drag it forward until it lines up with the 2-second mark in the timeline. So let's see if that's 2 seconds. Right there. Okay, that's good. Command S. And I'm going to press the L twice, so LL, and that will show us the actual waveform. Okay. So now I'm going to move forward here. To where the sound starts to grow. And I'm going to lock everything that I don't want to change. I don't want the meow to change. I don't want the shadow to change. I don't want the background, the beach ground to change. And now at this point you might want to parent the cat's mouth to the cat just for argument's sake. But we've got this set up now so we can select the cat, and the cat layer must be selected. Command save. In the effects panel, so let's open up the workspace for effects, because this is something we need to have the effects visible. So in the effects panel, we want to type split. Now you see there's 2 splits. We're going to use the first split. It's under distort. So this is a distortion effect. We're going to double click on this so that it applies to the cat. There we go. Now once you've applied the split, you see that what it does is it puts these crosshairs here, and the crosshairs will correspond to point A and point B. So here's point A and here's point B. We want to move point A to this corner, and all you have to do is find the spot and click on it. And then we want to move point B to this corner of the mouth. It's going to split between these 2 points. It's a very rough sort of an effect because you can't control the edges of the lips or anything. If you wanted to do that, you'd have to make some type of a mask. But this will split right down between these 2 points. Now I'm going to Command S. We don't want to keyframe the points right now. If we were moving the mouth around, we would have to keyframe the points. But at this point, we want to keyframe the split itself. So I'm going to show you where the split slider bar is. And we want to keyframe the split. We want it to start here with his mouth closed. And now we're going to listen to the sound, hold down Command and scrub. Okay, so where it starts getting larger, we're going to make the split open up. And then where it changes a little bit, we're going to change it a little bit. And then we're going to have it go smaller where it gets quieter until we get down to just about stopping right here. Take it way down and then close it entire. Command save. Go back to the beginning. And let's press the space bar. So you see how that it's not entirely perfect, but it's convincing and fun for our uses. So let's, come on, change the size there. I'm going to Command save.